Looking for a phone? Let me tell you about Xiaomi 12. It have a 6.73-inch display screen. It have a Gorilla Glass Victus. It have a AMOLED display screen with 120 Hz and 1000 nits. You will get Android 12 out of the box. It have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It comes in 128GB ROM and 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM and 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM and 12GB RAM. The back camera is 50MP and it can record video at 8K at 20 fps. The selfie camera is 30MP and it can record video at 108p. At 30-60 fps. It has stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon. It also have fingerprinter sensor under the display. It have 4,600 mAh battery with 1,200 wired charging and 50W wireless charging